Well, I want to announce that I've broken the 3 million samples per second barrier. I've now pushed it all the way up to 5 million samples per second. What you're seeing on the screen there is 240 samples in 48 microseconds. Turn off the light. It's a 20 kilohertz sine wave, and can't quite reproduce the entire sine wave, because if you were to do 20 kilohertz times 48, or 240, you discover that is right close to 5,000 or 5 million samples per second. Or if you just take 1, divide it by 48, and multiply that times 240, you'd also come up with 5 million samples. Turn the light back on so you can see the Arduino Uno that's powering it, and the CA3306 analog to digital converter that is handling the conversion. I have now also added push buttons for speed selection. Push of a button, you can select your sampling speed. So there you have it, 5 million samples per second with an Arduino Uno and speed selection with a push button. The code will be on my blog. Thank you.